Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to bring you along while I make a brand new sticker and bookmark. Last weekend, I filmed a video on how I drew this bird using Procreate. I also have a video on how I make and laminate stickers. I will link all of those down below, or you can check them out on my page. And don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comments some videos you would like to see next. If you're ever curious what products I use, I try and have everything linked in my Amazon favorites. You can check that out in the description below. I'm filming some short content as well, so you can see me doing that here for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Leave a comment on some new crafts or just things that you would like to learn for the new year. I would love to learn how to make notebooks. I think that would be a really fun thing to add to my shop. So let me know what some things that you are looking forward to learning in 2024. When I first got my Cricut machine, I was so confused. I wasted so much paper trying to figure it out, and honestly, I almost gave up. But I'm so glad I didn't. I watched a bunch of YouTube videos and just basically trial and error, I was finally able to figure it out. So if you're feeling lost, don't give up. Just keep watching tutorials and YouTube videos, and eventually, the more you do it, the easier it gets. So that's it for my mountain bluebird. Let's go ahead and make my brand new bookmark. I get asked all the time to do a full tutorial on how I make bookmarks, which I will definitely do. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that tutorial when it comes. But I absolutely love making bookmarks. It is one of my favorite things to make. In August, I started reading, so it's really cool to be able to just create my own bookmarks and have a different one for each book. If you also love to read, I will have my shop linked down below, and I have so many different bookmark designs. I also really love when you guys request designs, so if you have any ideas, let me know and I will work on it. I thought this design would be really cute for Valentine's Day coming up, so if you're reading any romance books, this bookmark could be really cute. And I mean, I love strawberries and cake, so... Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed coming along, making a new sticker and bookmark. I do have both of these on my shop now, which I'll have linked below. But I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.